Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to print a web page in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser and navigate to the website you want to print. Once you have the web page loaded and ready to go, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the browser window. You'll see three horizontal lines stacked together, which is the main menu icon. Click on those three lines to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Print. This will open up the print dialog where you can configure all your printing preferences before sending the page to your printer. Now navigate to Destination. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and select your current printer name from the list of available devices. This ensures that your web page will be sent to the correct printer you want to use, whether that's a physical printer connected to your computer or a virtual PDF printer if you're saving the page as a document instead. Next, navigate to Pages. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select your preferred pages option. You might want to print all pages, only the current page, or specify a custom range if you only need certain sections of the web page. This gives you control over exactly what content gets printed, which is especially useful for longer web pages where you might only need specific information. After that, select your layout by clicking the drop-down menu. You can choose between portrait and landscape orientation depending on how the web page is formatted and how you want it to appear on paper. This option helps optimize the printed output so that text and images fit properly on the page without being cut off or awkwardly positioned. Then select your color by clicking the drop-down menu. Here you can choose between color printing or black and white. If you're printing a page with lots of images or graphics, color might be the better choice. But if you're just printing text or want to save ink, black and white works perfectly fine. If you need more control over how the page prints, click More Settings. This expands additional options where you can customize paper size, pages per sheet, margins, scale, and other printing parameters. These settings let you fine-tune exactly how the web page appears on paper, which is particularly helpful if you're trying to fit more content on fewer pages or need specific formatting for a particular purpose. Once you've configured all your settings and everything looks the way you want it, go ahead and click Print. Your web page will now be sent to the selected printer and should start printing shortly. You've now successfully printed a web page from Brave browser with all your custom preferences applied. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.